What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite stylist, MarshalaSemone, and I'm going to be showing you guys today how I achieved this very natural, super cute, curly lace frontal wig install. So this wig came from Yolissa hair. I'm going to start by showing you guys everything that came inside the box, and then I'm going to go straight into showing you guys the wig. The wig is a 26-inch, 200 density. The cap size is a large. The lace is transparent, and the texture is water wave. This is exactly how the wig looks straight out the box. I haven't done anything to it, and it is perfect. As you guys can see, the hairline on this wig is pre-plucked, so I won't have to do too much plucking. But I'm just going to start by going ahead and bleaching the knots. This is an up close of the lace after I bleached the knots. As you guys can see, they bleached really well. Now let's get straight into this install. First, I'm going to start by positioning the wig exactly where I want it to lay, and I'm going to go ahead and cut around the ears on both sides if needed. So this wig was already plucked to my liking. I really didn't have to do any plucking or anything to it. Basically, I'm just going to customize the hairline a little bit after I glue the wig down. But I'm going to go ahead and do that now. I'm doing 3 layers of Ghost Bond glue. I'm applying my layers in dots, and I'm smoothing out with my fingers. And I'm going to wait till each layer dry clear before applying the next. Now that my last layer is dried clear, I can go ahead and lay the lace directly on top of where I applied the glue. As you guys can see, I'm going through and I'm combing the hair back just to make sure everything is stuck and in place before I remove the excess lace. Also, it's very important to make sure the glue is dry before removing the excess lace. So I'm going through with my blow dryer on cool, and I use cool just because it's like more comfortable for your client. And yeah, I'm just gonna dry it on cool until the glue is dry. After the glue is dry and you make sure everything is right and in place, you can go ahead and remove the excess lace. And as you guys can see, this is very much giving me scalp vibes. So next I'm just going to go ahead and like part off her sideburns and her baby hairs just to get that out of the way. And you know, while I tie down the lace, those will be sitting in place while I'm like constructing her part and everything in that area. Now it's time for me to do the part. So what's very important when doing the part is to make sure that it is very sleek. I'm using my wax stick because it allows all the hairs to lay down in place like after you put the hot comb to it. So you guys are going to see me using my wax stick and my hot comb just to set the part before tying down the lace. So you guys are going to see me going through with my wax stick and hot comb, sleeking it piece by piece just to make the install very, very flat. I don't like lumpy installs, so that's why I do this step. And this step is like very, very important if you want a flat install. So now that I'm done flattening the wig out, I can go ahead and remove the band, and I'm going to go straight into doing her baby hair. So first I'm going to cut them at I'm going to cut them not so straight. It's going to be like very, very choppy just to give off that natural look. I'm going to use my scissors and razor comb to cut the sideburns and baby hairs for a more natural look. So after I'm done, I'm just going to go ahead and use my foam to sleek the baby hairs and tie it down again with wrapping paper until they dry. After I finish doing the baby hairs, I'm going to go in and add makeup to her part just to give a more realistic look. And I'm going to be doing a shade that's closest to her skin color. As you guys can see, that shade is very, very perfect for her. And I'm using my Cover Up mascara stick from Maybelline. It's very, very good, just in case you like over bleach the knots or anything, or if some of the bleach sink through the lace, you can go in and touch it up with your brush. So after that step, your install is basically complete. All you have to do is put product on the hair just to give it that wet look that everyone loves. And as you guys can see, this wig is amazing. The lace literally melted straight into her skin. As you guys can see, like, it looks so good. So this completes my final look. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to click that subscribe button and like this video. Comment your thoughts, share it with a friend, and don't forget to follow my hair page on Instagram at MarshalaSemone Hair.